Hello and welcome to Mr. Wojciu Free Children's Stories channel. We're thrilled to have both parents and kids joining us today. Our channel is dedicated to providing fun and engaging stories that will spark your child's imagination and inspire them to read more. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel, so you don't miss any of our upcoming stories. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest releases. Thank you for choosing to spend your time with us today, and we hope you enjoy our stories. Father Roberto: Hi, Leo. How was your day today? Leo, 5 years old: Hi, Dad. It was fun, but I have a question. What do you like to do for fun? Can you tell me? Father Roberto: Of course, Leo. That's a great question. I enjoy doing many different things that bring me joy. Leo: Like what? Father Roberto: I like reading books because it allows me to discover new worlds and adventures. We enjoy that together, right? Leo: Yes, I like it when you read me bedtime stories. What else? Father Roberto: I also love cooking. Your mom and I create delicious meals together and enjoy them with our friends. Leo: Cooking can be fun too? Father Roberto: Absolutely. Cooking can be very creative. We try different flavors and experiment with new recipes. Leo: So, cooking is like exploring? Father Roberto: Exactly, Leo. It's like discovering new tastes and sharing them with others. Leo: What else do you like to do for fun? Father Roberto: I love playing the guitar. Music is amazing, isn't it? Sometimes we even sing and dance together. Leo: Yes, I love it when we sing and dance together. Father Roberto: It's wonderful that you enjoy music, Leo. Music can bring a lot of joy and positive emotions. Leo: Dad, do you know what else I like to do? Father Roberto: Tell me, Leo. I'm all ears. Leo: I like playing outdoors. Climbing trees, running around, and going on long walks. Father Roberto: That sounds like great outdoor fun. Being active outside is healthy and gives us lots of energy. Leo: Dad, did you also play outside when you were little? Father Roberto: Yes, absolutely. When I was little, I loved playing outdoors too. With my friends, we built shelters from branches and had races. Leo: So, it doesn't change, right? Playing outside is always fun. Father Roberto: You're absolutely right, Leo. No matter how much time goes by, playing outdoors is always full of joy and adventures. Leo: Thank you, Dad, for telling me about your fun activities. Now I'm even happier that we can have fun together. Father Roberto: I'm also happy, Leo. The most important thing is that we can have fun together and cherish the joy of our shared moments. See you in the next story. Don't forget to like the tale and subscribe to our channel.